This is my 15-year-old kitty, Eddie. Ed Gordon. We call him Ed for short. Ed. Say hi to everybody. 15 years old. I'll tell you his story in a minute. He's getting old and grouchy. He's went downhill the last year. Ed, say hi. Ed is what I call one of my 2009 animals. I found him at Ed Gordon Wildlife Management Area. You see me hunt over there all the time. And somebody had dumped him and 5 of his brothers and sisters out. Unfortunately, he was the only one that made it. And we took care of him. And that year, the reason I call it, and of course we call him, Ed Gordon, because we found him at Ed Gordon Wildlife Management Area. And that year, we got my dogs, Dave and Buster. Yeah, I named them after, you know what, the ice cream. And Grim and Mandy, named them after the cartoon Grim and Mandy. And let's see, we also got a little dog named Savannah. Well, since then, Savannah and Dave and Buster and Mandy has passed away. And Ed, y'all seen Grim. I did the last one I did with my dogs, old Grim. He's still around, doing pretty sprite, 15 years old. He's blind, almost blind and deaf, but he's getting around good. And if you've seen that one video, he certainly can run a rabbit still, if he wants to. He's like me. And, what's that old song? I'm not as good as I once was, but I'm good at once as I ever was. He stayed out like 2.5 hours running that one rabbit that night. He outlasted the younger dogs. But old Ed here, yeah, he's a survival story, and I'm gonna miss him and gonna miss Grim, but they're my last of the 2009 animals, and he's been special. He's around. We used to have Yo-Yo and Savannah here, and they'd do all sorts of, I wish I could got some of it on film. They'd flip over and flip Savannah over. But y'all cat lovers, animal lovers, I just thought I'd give y'all that. I want to let him say bye to you. Hey, say bye to your audience. Psst, 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 psst. Say bye.